Now, if you've been all grain brewing for a while, you've definitely had that experience where you've had a boil over, or alternatively, you've just bought a brewery and it's not quite big enough. So if you want more, this product will solve both those problems and give you a little bit more. Ooh, geez, it's pretty hot down here. So the boil extender comes in 3 different sizes. We've got the BrewZilla 35, this is the 65 litre, which is the medium sized diameter, I guess you could say, and then we've got the BrewZilla 100 litre, which is the larger size. So the boil extender will have to be purchased to suit the particular brewery size that you've got. The other thing I'll say is the boil extender is compatible with the various different models of BrewZilla you've got. So even if you've got one of the BrewZilla Gen 1s, Gen 2, Gen 3s, or even the new Gen 4, which is the Wi-Fi connected BrewZilla, it'll work with all of those and it's backwards compatible. Even if you've got some of the old Robo brews, they will also be compatible with the boil extender too. So when you're fitting it on, just make sure you've got the silicone seal, which comes in the kit, and slip that over the top edge of the BrewZilla like so. Then what you want to do is you want to get the boil extension itself and then drop that on top. Now, I've had a bit more success with this if I wet the seal first. Now, I'm doing it dry in this video, but if you happen to just dip this in water, that's just enough to lubricate the seal, so this will go on nice and snug. As you can see, it's not a difficult job. You just drop that on top, making sure to line up also these clamps with the clamps below so they're in a straight line. That's pretty much it. Really easy to fit, and it's going to save you boilovers. Thanks for that, guys. Hope you guys enjoy using the boil extender. If you want to hear about any cool stuff we're working on and be the first one to hear about new releases, definitely subscribe now. Bottom right hand corner, hit the subscribe to the YouTube channel. The other thing you can do is sign up to our Facebook community group. We've got other members just like yourself sharing tips and tricks on how to get the most out of the gear. All right, that's it for this time. See you guys next time. Bye.
Can someone please turn the bubbles on this thing? Any air? What are the air jets? Oh, that's better. Thanks, Ollie. Oh, that's perfect. That's the ticket.
Guys, can somebody help me out here, please?